Mount Mary, Mumbai. When I was looking out for a boy in marriage, the proposal that was coming to me, I used to come and show it to Father Jose, and every proposal that came in, Father Jose said that this is not the right person, this is not the right person. There was, I think, round about at least 15 to 20 proposals like that. So I was just thinking that maybe Father Jose, every proposal he said, no, 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 will I ever get married? Then finally Father Jose said, no, this is not the right person, this is not the right person. I finally realized that now if I sit to realize that yes, those people were definitely not the right person. So since Father Jose was rejecting every proposal, I was so frustrated that in between a friend of mine told me that I know this Guruji, and if you come and speak to him, he will definitely solve this problem of yours. When I went to this Guruji, he first told me that you have Kal Sarpa Dosh on you and you have to go to Nasik and do this some kind of a puja. I went there and I did that entire puja believing that maybe there is really some kind of dosh on me. I came back and there was no improvement. Then he told me that you should do Sola Somvar, that is 16 Mondays fast, and then you will find the right boy. I did not do 16, but I did almost 35 to 40 Somvars and nothing happened. Then he told me you should go every Monday to the temple and on the Shivling you should do the entire Abhishek. I did that for I don't know how many months, but nothing happened. Then he said go to Kedarnath. That's also when I went there, there was no improvement. Then finally he told me you should go to the Dargah. Now from the temple he said go to the Dargah. I went to some couple of Dargahs he sent me, and they told me that 6 months you do this prayer and you do this taweez. I think I did everything possible and nothing happened till finally this Guruji told me that there is some evil in your house and that evil is not letting you get married. So you should sell the house and maybe then you will get married. I was really thinking of doing that when I got to know that Father Jose is back in Bombay and he's in Chembur Ashram. I immediately ran and I went to meet Father, and when I met Father, Father said, you don't worry, you will get married. You come here for the Divine Mercy prayer that we have every month. You come and attend the service and you will be married soon. I started coming for the Divine Mercy service every month in Chembur. On the 1st of July, I went for Father Jose's Divine Mercy prayer service in the ashram. And there Father Jose said 3 people are blessed with marriage. After the service, when I went to meet Father, Father prayed over me and said that you are blessed with marriage and you will be married soon. I said, Father, it's not possible because there is no proposal at the moment and nor there is a boy I'm seen at the moment. But Father said, no, you are blessed with marriage and in the next 4 months you will be married. I left from there and I just said that I don't think it's going to happen, and I left from the ashram. When I reached home that very night, there was a friend of mine who called me because previous day we had gone for a house party, and that person who had organized the house party gave me a call on the same night that I went for Father Jose's Divine Mercy prayer service, and he proposed me in marriage. And exactly 4 months, that is on the 28th of October 2012, I was married. And married in a very good family, and I really thank God and I thank Father Jose for all his powerful prayer.